this is a little girl.
Okay.
Alright? This hand represents where her head is. This hand represents where her feet are. And during this, take one finger and point to where I tell you and hold it where you think it is. And I'll tell you where to go with the finger next up. Alright?
You can't cheat. You gotta close your eyes.
You gotta keep your eyes closed. Okay? Now, point and touch where your head is supposed to be. Alright. Point and touch where your feet are supposed to be. A little lower.
It's pretty good.
Point and touch where your chest should be. Higher. Yeah. Higher. Okay. Point and touch where the vagina is supposed to be.
Oh my God!
I just want you to know. The last time I washed my hands was this morning, so.
99% good.